अनधिकृत सर्तीत वांटो घेतलो म्हणून गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनान 46 प्लेयरांक सस्पेंड केल्यात. तांकां धाडिल्ल्या कारणां दाखय नोटीशीक आयिल्ल्यो जापो पळोवन फुडलो निर्णय घेतले म्हणून जीएफएचो अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोम्स प्रुडंटाकडे उलयलो.
So what prompted Goa Football Association to suspend 46 professional players?
See, there is no difference between a professional player and amateur player when it comes to playing in unregistered tournament. So you must understand that there are regulations in place, and players are prohibited from playing in an unregistered tournament. We have so many tournaments, yet there is a tendency to play in unregistered tournaments. So that has to be curbed. And this has been happening, it's nothing new. Only for the first time it has happened on this mass scale, where and more it has come to light because very prominent names in the football field have played in that tournament, and that is what has come to notice. What basically happened, I was not here that time. The referee, we have a referee subcommittee that looks after the referees affairs. So they recommended issue of show cause notice to officials who have played in such unregistered tournaments. And when the notices have gone there, so there was naturally a reaction from the officials that why only us and why not the players. So then we did a thorough inquiry, and the secretary has issued these notices. These are show cause notices, and temporarily when we issue notice, we have to keep the player out. Now it is for him within 7 days to reply, and then whatever merits are there will be considered. See what happens now, these players have to lead by example, number one. Number two is, why there is a ban on playing in unregistered tournaments? Because these are contracted players. They are prone to injuries, and sometimes these injuries are hidden. The clubs don't know. So we are here to look after the interests of the clubs, the players, and everybody involved. So taking that into account, I feel, and we have consulted a lot of people. I personally ensured that what we are doing is something in the right direction. I think we had to take this step.
Right. Players' contention is that since the end of Pro League, there weren't many tournaments for them to keep fit.
Therefore, I am not prejudging the issue at all. Let them reply, and once the reply comes, it can be considered.
One former player pointed out to me that 1.5 years back there was an open tournament in Sodi and Sioli, where not only registered players, even registered officials of GFA officiated the match. But no action was taken on the culprits.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know, particularly this incident might not have been brought to notice. See, there are a lot of things happening, sometimes are not brought to notice. This is something was done very blatantly, and it has come to notice. It was reported in the newspapers, and the officials themselves came forward and said, yes, we admit, and I have got already replies from the match officials saying that there was a laxity on their part and maybe condoned. And I think if something has happened somewhere else, doesn't mean it should be repeated. See, finally, what is the use of these regulations at the end of the day? It is in the interest of the clubs and the players.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.